Hey guys, so exciting. I just got this package from Crocs. So I'm doing an unboxing. This is new for me, so like bear with me. I'm so excited to see. No. This is so cool. I mean, I haven't even opened it yet, but bear with me. Okay. I think I need the cameraman to help me with this one, but okay, now I've got it. Thank you. Thank you for availing yourself. Okay, so what do we have here? This is more extra than ever. Crocs. So let's go for it. Oh, that's so cool. I love good, like, cool packages. Ah! In my influencer era. Okay, wait. So this is the, like, box that it's coming in. How cool is this? Okay, I can't toss this one. And that's what I got, guys. This is so cute. I'm so excited to try these on. And then there's a little note. So I will be attending the Crocs. Ooh, there goes my scarf. The Crocs Height Brunch coming up soon. And I can't wait to basically share my experience in my new Crocs. See you guys soon.